Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question pertaining to the quantity aptitude section. So it's a question pertaining to the sequence and series. So the questions we have is basically summation of series, and let us take a look at how we can go about solving this particular question. Okay. The value of sum 7 into 11 plus 11 into 15 plus 15 into 19 plus dot 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 till 95 into 99 is. Okay. So let us see what this the series that we have in front of us. 7 into 11 plus 11 into 15 plus 15 into 19 plus dot 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 plus 95 into 99. Okay, so now let us try and identify how many terms we have in total. Okay, so if I talk about the number of terms in this summation, you can see the term goes 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and 11 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so this is how the entire term basically goes. Now let's try and find the number of terms. So we know, let us consider this particular series. Okay, say 7 let's take the 11 one. Calculation might just be easy that way. So we have 11, we have 15, we have 19 dot 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 till we have 99. Let us consider this series. Common difference is 4, 4. So common difference would continue to be 4. So now if I am to find the number of terms, so we know that Tn can be given as a n minus 1 into d. We know this particular formula is of AP. So nth term. So nth term in this regards is 99. Okay. So we take 99. A in this regards is 11 plus n we need to find out minus 1 and d is 4. So that comes out to be 88. Okay. Now let me write it here. This would come out to be 88 plus 88. Sorry. Equal to n minus 1 fourth, that is n would come out to be 23. So we have 23 such terms. Okay, so we know there will be 23 sums. Now let us take a look at this equation. Okay, so 7, 11, 15 and all. So 7 actually can be written as 3 plus 4 and 11 can be written as 7 plus 4. Okay, plus 11 can be written as 3 plus 8 and 15 can be written as 7 plus 8. Okay, plus we have 15, it can be written as 3 plus 12 and 19 can be written as 7 plus 12. So see, the pattern continues. So this we can actually write this entire term as nothing but 3 plus 4n, okay, into 7 plus 4n. Okay, this is how the entire term goes, and we will have a summation in this case where n is equal to 23. Okay, so this one, suppose if I further try to solve the same, we can write for 23. So we can write this as 21 plus 28 plus 12, so 40n plus 16n square. Okay, or we can write summation n equal to 23, 16n square plus 40n plus 21. Okay, so this is with our entire expression. Okay, now if I have to find the summation of the same, so what I can do, so 16, so we have n square formula, we can write n into n plus 1 into twice n plus 1 by 6, okay, plus 40 into n plus 1, this is n by 2 plus 21 n. Okay, because we need to multiply 21 n times. Now if I substitute the value of n, where n is equal to 23, in this regards we'll have 16 into 23 into 24 into 20 40 47 by 6 plus 40 into 23 into 24 by 2 plus 21 into 23. Okay, so can we cancel this out? This goes out for 4, 12. Okay, so if we try and find the sum in this regards, that would actually give us 16. This would give us 69184 plus 11040 plus 21 into 23 would give us 483. Okay, and if I find out the sum one more time, 684 plus 11040 plus 483, that would give us 80707. Okay, which will be our required sum. So option A will be our correct answer. So I hope this question is clear. So again, let me reiterate the same. We initially found out the number of terms using this AP formula. Okay, we find out n equal to 73 because we observed a certain kind of pattern. You could have done the same using the series 7 11 dot 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 till 95 as well. In this case, what you would have had is a 95 equal to a being 7 plus n minus 1 into 4. So 95, again we have 88, we would have gotten the same result. So any of the series you could have taken, you have got the same result only, n equal to 23, and then we represent each and every number in a similar form, that is 3 plus 4n, we represent the same, and n is to 23, we simply use the summation. So this particular formula which we used is of summation of n square, this is of summation of n and 21n. We added 21 23 times, and that's how we got the results. Okay, so any doubt you have with regards to the entire thing, kindly go through the questions and try and get this idea about the the approach you have taken to solving the same. This should come in pretty easy in this regards. Okay, I don't think you should face much of an issue in this respect. Okay, so whatever be your approach or however you feel like doing it, kindly go through the same. Okay, I don't think you would face any difficulty. Now, having said that, in case you are looking for detailed solution of the further such questions and down the line, please feel free to connect with us so we can come up with more questions on the similar sorts. Okay, so if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this. So having said that, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.